Most AI video tools feel like guessing. You generate, regenerate, and hope the results finally looks right. But most of the time, you don't really feel in control. Today, I want to show you something different. This is Ray3 Modify by Luma AI. With Ray3 Modify, I'm not guessing anymore. I'm actually directing the video. I can change the look, the environment, even the style, while keeping the original performance excellent time. This feels less like an AI toy, and more like a real post-production tool for creators. Let me show you how it's works. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and board interface is very user-friendly and easy. Let's click here, go to modify and choose video, resolution full HD and model. We have something new here, Ray3.40 model, faster generation and better quality. Let's choose. And now we can import image or video with this button. Let's click here and choose dense video, click open. And now we don't write here prompt, because for better results I want to modify frame. Let's click this modify frame. Okay, so now we can write here prompt for change to another style. Let's paste here prompt. Show the density white room, change their clothes and colorful clothes, hats and suites. Okay, and model modify version 2. And let's click this button for enter prompt and wait for results. Okay, it's done, and also can refresh image results for new version. Let's try it. Okay, this version is good. We can see sunlight here from window, and now we can click down, or we can get this image in our computer and we can try this image for another AI platforms like a Nano Banana or ChatGPT, but this result is okay for me. Let's click down. So next step, strange. Let's open here. We have three ways: add here, flex and reimagine. We can see these three versions here, and I will use flex and click send for generate video. So guys, video is done and here we go. Let's open video and we can see all details is very well, perfect. Okay, these three colors and hats, it's very cool. I love it. So guys, let's move to the second feature, modify with keyframes. With modify using keyframes, I can control the video over time. I add keyframes and decide exactly when and how the scene changes. Instead of one random result, I get intentional transitions and smooth progression. And this feels like real post-production. I am shaping the shot, not regenerating it. So again, let's import new video, choose angry character and open. And now let's click modify frame, first static frame. Let's click down and go to modify frame here for end and paste prompt here. A woman who speaks a nervous manner turned into flame and become a superhero. And modify version 2. Let's enter prompt. Okay, result is good, and click down. And go to strange and let's choose here reimage and click enter for generate video. Okay, video is done and let's see. Okay, fire simulation is good. Okay, so we can click show more for another versions and brainstorm and replay. Let's click replay and right here, when the flame is created, continue until the end of the video and click again enter. And let's wait for new version. Okay, another version is done and we can see, nice. I love it. This result is better. Okay, we can see flames is so realistic and simulation is very better. Okay, that's good. It works for me. And the last feature, character reference. Character reference feature is a game changer. I can look at the character's face, hair, costume and overall identity. No matter how much I modify the scene, the character stays exactly the same across every frame. So let's import video. Character looking around. Let's open. And character. Let's click here, choose character from game feature. And then click modify frame and click use character. Then right here, change the character, keep the compensation and enter. Okay, results is perfect and done. So in this time, go to range and let's choose flex Let's choose first and click for generate video. Okay, video is ready and here we go. Really perfect results. We can see lighting reflections here and all details is cool. Also shadows showing here and character looking left, right. That's cool. I like it. So guys, that's all, and I will add all links on the description below. You can check out now. And thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.